Everyone recognizes the potential IoT connectivity presents. And yet, major operators everywhere are still unable to realize IoT-based solutions and technologies. IT and OT organizations have traditionally each felt better equipped than the other to evaluate new technology. Easier data acquisition has also increased development of stagnant data silo conditions. IoT solutions often require significant investment, with success rates as low as 26%. Meet the IoT Digital Experiment, where IT best practices meet operations practical application. IoT Digital Experiments validate design, strategy, compatibility, and financial aspects in one deployment. Rather than focusing on individual technical approaches, digital experiments assess internal capabilities and ecosystem resources without committing to a full solution rollout. And even unsuccessful experiments provide significant value, whether uncovering potential cost overruns or highlighting investment dead zones. ADLINK's new IoT Digital Experiments as a Service, or DXS, enables subscribers to run multiple IoT digital experiments in parallel. The subscription service includes relevant hardware, software, and professional services in a highly optimized sprint model, helping subscribers to quickly and effectively test multiple IoT solutions. Various digital experiments can enable development of comprehensive strategies, roadmap successful IoT solutions, and drive complete transformation of value creation and capture. ADLINK DXS utilizes pre-validated edge hardware, integrated sensor packs, pre-configured adapters to key protocols, secure data movement, data streaming to major cloud analytics providers, enterprise shared services, endpoint management capability, and field and professional services. Experience from multiple sectors supporting best practices accelerates organizational learning, minimizing risk and maximizing return. ADLINK's IoT Digital Experiments as a Service. Complete solutions for complete success.